how to see Roblox events. First, go onto a web browser. For example, I'm using Google Chrome. Enter your web browser and go to the search bar. Now, in the search bar, type in roblox.com. Once roblox.com opens, it's taking a while to load for me, but once it opens, click on the 3 bars at the top left corner of your screen. As you can see, this shows you all of these options, but if you go down and you go to blog, and then now you can see all of the Roblox events. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's been your host Max speaking here. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!